This 2024 Winnebago Roam 59RZ is a Class B RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, air conditioning, refrigerator, microwave, water heater, LP detector, TV, external shower, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, skylight, and 12 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2024 Winnebago Roam 59RZ is built on a ProMaster chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.